Huddle. I've been very consistent with these, so you've got to admire my persistence. I'm a huge hypocrite. Why? Because a couple of months ago, actually a little over a year ago, I brought my car in, my Volvo, for service, and they gave me a loaner, an XC90. I did a quick video on it, and I said how much I wasn't really impressed with it and all that stuff. Well, fast forward until earlier last month, where I actually purchased a 2018 Volvo Xc90. It's actually from my wife. It's a silver one with a beautiful, beautiful orange interior. I think there's a special name for it, but I just forgot. With my Volvo S60, it used to be called Atacama. With this one, who knows? But anyway, so I purchased it. It's a D6 engine, so it's a 300 horsepower motor, supercharged and turbocharged, 4-cylinder only, all-wheel drive. It's got a couple of pretty decent options. I've made a couple of upgrades to it already. I'm gonna have videos on it very, very soon. The videos have been filmed. I just have to edit them and put them in the schedule. But I've got to say, I am quite happy with the car and how nice of a family car it is. So yep, it's official. I'm a huge hypocrite, but what can you do? It's as a family car, the car actually is a fantastic vehicle, and I like driving it. Wait until you see what I did to it to make it look quite hot. Okay, next thing is, this is actually the first time I am driving my car to work, or rather to a train station, in 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago, I put my car in the garage for a week and I detailed it. I wanted to, well, don't look at this mess over here. On the outside, I put another fresh coat of a special product that brings back your ceramic coating or makes it pop a little more. I do it every couple of months. So I put that on, and then the following week I was on vacation. So I went on vacation, and when I came back from vacation, it was raining every single day. So I said, you know, I'm not gonna be driving my car in the rain the first time after I detailed it. So I drove my father-in-law's car, and it's a 2017 Hyundai Tucson, which is a nice car for daily driving, but it really made me appreciate, oh, there you go. It really made me appreciate my car. Mostly the power. I have to say, I like getting into an SUV, but mostly the power is what really, really impressed me the most. Oh, by the way, in case you haven't noticed, it's 5:16 in the morning. I started going to the gym at work, so I get to work even earlier now, but I need to stay healthy. I haven't been working out in a long time, consistently, so now this gives me consistency of working out at least 4 days a week for about an hour and 15 minutes. I do some cardio, and then do some weights. Maybe I get diesel soon. No, who am I kidding? Okay, and a couple of other things. I purchased a used Dynon suspension. The coil, it's not coilovers, it's a height adjustable springs. There you go. A couple of weeks ago, to those of you who watch my videos, maybe you've spotted it on the floor, but I've decided against it for a couple of reasons. So I sold it, and now I purchased, and I'm gonna admit to it because it is gonna be evident very soon, but I purchased a brand new M Performance height adjustable system that's waiting at the house to be installed. I just have to find a couple of hours in my busy schedule to install it, but I'm very excited. Why did I do it? For a couple of reasons. The ride quality with springs is actually very decent, but I feel like it could be better. Also, the front sits slightly on the higher side compared to the back, or the back actually sits a bit lower compared to the front. So I just want to even that out. And lastly, I just want something that's kind of OEM and made by BMW as opposed to another manufacturer. My current springs are made by Max Schnell. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And again, a lot of people run them. They're the great quality springs. I just think there might be something better, which is why I went with M Performance, which will give me some adjustability. So I'm really, really excited about that. What I'm really excited about is, or are, 2 exterior mods that I completed on this car, and you will find out very, very soon what they are. These mods are very evident when you look at the car. Actually, one of the first things you notice when you look at the car. So two different mods. I've actually shot 2 different videos about those mods, so stay tuned for those. I'm really, really excited about. And finally, I wanted to remind you all about July 7th, Keys Motorsports Auto Show down in Hamilton, New Jersey. I invite all of you to come in. It's gonna be a blast. I was there last year. Unfortunately, I had to leave early because I got sick. Today, this time, I'm staying throughout the whole show. I think it starts at 10, ends at 2, if I'm not mistaken. So it's gonna be an awesome event. It should be a great turnout. I spoke to Brian, and he told me there's a bunch of people already already registered. I'm already thinking about the next thing I'm going to talk about. So I hope to see you there. At least some of you who are local. I really hope to see you there. And then the second last thing is, how do you like that trunk lip? Huh? I love it. I'm very excited. I made a video about it a couple of days ago. People online seem to love it. I love it. And the way it came out is, remember that tape video where I put some vinyl on the lip of my lip, and that didn't work out for me. But Brian, who saw the video, surprised me with his version. So again, kudos to him and huge thanks. Anyway, so as I'm approaching my my destination, I am gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna stop by the post office, drop off some mail, and I wanted to say thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.